Yes, Mr Kelly, you have the floor.
Madam President, the principle that everybody should pay their fair share of tax is undeniable, and this applies to individuals as well as big corporations. But we have seen in the past that big corporations will use every loophole to avoid paying tax. So it is up to us as legislators to close those loopholes, and that has been done at OECD level and within the European Union. This is a global problem, and as a member of the PANA committee, we can see that it needs a global response. And one area we have to be careful about is having legislation that would disadvantage companies whose headquarters are within the European Union as opposed to those outside the European Union. And I think that is something we have to be careful about. Country by country reporting is important, as Mr Karas and others have said, but I think that we have to look at the bigger picture as well. The only way to tackle this is a bit like the climate change, a global agreement, the same rules applying across the globe.